if you're experiencing server timeout issues in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to potentially speed up your connection and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your online play. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and fast. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster connection, reducing the chances of server timeouts. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This can include changing your DNS settings to a faster server like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1, which may improve connection speed. Step 4. Close background applications. Ensure that no other applications are using your bandwidth while you play. Close any unnecessary programs or downloads running in the background that could be affecting your connection to the game's servers. Step 5. Check server status. Sometimes the issue may not be on your end. Check the official Elden Ring server status or community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be causing the timeouts. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your connection and reduce server timeout issues in Elden Ring. Happy gaming!